Chicken Chowmein, let's do it! So, unahin natin yung chicken. Marinate lang siya ng salt, black pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, and cinnamon powder. Or kung meron kayong turmeric or coriander, you can also put some. And then, lagay lang natin siya sa ating breading. Yung breading natin is seasoned din. Next, boil natin yung pasta. Then, cook for 3 or 4 minutes. And then, drain it afterwards. Then, let it cool down in the fridge. Next, start sauteing the vegetables. I saute first the bell pepper or capsicum. Then next, beans. I saute the beans, and after the beans, saute our carrots. And that's how I slice it. And after carrots, I also sauteed our cabbage for our chicken chowmein. So just saute everything and separate it after. Let's start frying our chicken. Just put it in the pan and then fry it. Make sure you stir it so it won't stick together. Continue frying until chicken is brown and tender. And once done, you can take this out and set it aside. Then we need to throw in some butter. We will start sauteing our onion in. Saute it. After this, you can throw in the garlic as usual. Onion and garlic to saute. After this, you can just add the fried chicken. Here it goes. Then continue mixing it. Unfortunately, I ran out of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. So I use tomato paste instead. Just keep on sauteing those chickens. And after that, we can start adding up our vegetables. Started with beans, of course. There goes the beans. Just give a little bit of stir, mix it, and after the beans, I added up all the remaining vegetables, and let's see, there it goes. Then add some seasoning salt, and after seasoning salt, I put some ground black pepper. You can put according to your preference. Just mix it for a little more, and once done, I decided to make it half. I took out the half of the vegetables so that I can put my noodles. And there goes the noodles. I put it on batch so I can mix it properly. Okay, and then I add the remaining noodles and mix it carefully so that I can avoid breakage. And I put a little more butter. And again, mix. There goes our sauce. That's a Hoisin sauce. You can also use oyster sauce. Not much, but it adds a little more flavor. And after this Hoisin sauce, I add our soy sauce. Maybe around 2 tablespoons. That would be enough. Or we can adjust later. Then just give it a little bit of stir and mix. Just be careful not to break those noodles. Okay, then I added the remaining vegetables which we separate earlier. And I put it all, and after this, just a little bit of mixing. Okay, stir it so that everything will get mixed up. Just a bit gentle of mixing it. And it's looking good. Okay, and it's done. So there goes. Just always subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and keep on watching. Enjoy!